morning to you all, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my friends. My name is Monisha Rai. Today, first of all, I would like to thank all the teachers for giving me this opportunity. Today I would like to share my 4 years journey in this school in short. I came to this school in the year 2016 from NSK Nepali school. When I came to this school, I don't used to understand English language, and that time I always used to get failed in every exam. And to be honest, I don't know how I got passed in class 10. And when I saw my result, I realized that English was not hard, but it was me who was making it hard because I was not trying to learn it. I was just simply thinking that I can't do it. And that day onwards, I decided that no matter what, I will learn it and I will get good marks in upcoming exams. And from that day onwards, I started working hard and when I joined class 11, I came to class 11 with a person of me who was more confident, more energetic than before. And this time I am not only passed, but I got good marks, and I am one of the topper of this year. So finally my dream came true. This even proves that if you want to do something in your life and if you have confidence to do that thing, then there is no one who can stop you from achieving your goals. So lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers because they are the reason that I am molded into better person, better student, and I am ready to take on the challenges of my life. And I'm going to miss all my teachers, friends, and fellow classmates, dean, and all non-teaching staffs as well. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all teachers, sir, and my dear friends. I feel very blessed that I was also a part of St. Dominic's family, and the teachers over here are really excellent and hardworking for the work. I really appreciate them for their job and all. And I have learned really many things by coming in this school before which I have not learned. Thank you everyone, and have a great day, and may God bless all the Dominic's family. Thank you everyone.
Good morning everyone. I have just spent 2 years in the school, that's my 11 and 12. And I have got so many memories from the school, so thank you to everyone for those memories. I'd like to thank my teachers for carrying me each and every steps. And thank you to my friends to be such a companion. So thank you.
Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mr. Cook, and my lovely and beautiful teachers. Good afternoon to you all, and friends too. I just don't want to expand or elaborate my speech so much, but I just want to say a short speech about St. Dominic's school. This school not only teaches me a lesson or a chapter or a book, but this school teaches me what is life and what we do in our life. I not only score good marks, but I also score the respect of my teacher. I want to thank especially to my class teacher, Asisha, because he is the one who always motivates us every time, every day in our school days. Thank you everybody.
Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am and present teachers here. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I who are always supporting me and for always teaching me good things, for giving me good knowledge, and so that I can make them a good work of it in future. Since I've been studying this school since childhood, I've got lots of amazing memories. So I hope all the good things I have gained from this school, I will make a good use of it in future, and I will make proud of my school. And thank you for always being there for me, and thank you for teaching all the good things. And I hope my future will be good, as I have gained lots of good things from here. So thank you to all my teachers.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I would like to thank my all the teachers for always supporting and guiding and showing us the right path, so that we can take a step towards our future. Hope your blessings and your guidance can make our future brighter and brighter. So thank you from my heart to my teachers for guiding us in a very good way. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Principal, Ma'am, Adarsh sir, and all my teachers and my friends. Thank you so much, teachers, for supporting us and motivating us. And thank you so much, Ashish sir, who always support us. And thank you, St. Dominic's School.
Warm good afternoon to everyone present over here. Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my beloved friends. Today I am going to say a short speech on my experience in this school. It's been 2 years I have been in this school. It's a great experience. All the teachers over here are hardworking and motivating all the students over here. Thanks to all the teachers and my friends who always were there with me and motivated me to learn more and more and to cultivate my aim. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. To my honorable principal, ma'am, teachers. It seems like yesterday I have been amazed that all these 2 years in St. Dominic's went away. I never imagined I was so nourished by my teachers in the St. Dominic's. I was graced like a missile by St. Dominic's and each and every one. I feel so lucky that I came here in class 11 and I continued my studies here. And I feel so lucky that I got you all, my teachers, as my guide. I feel so sad as well as happy and proud that I took admission in this elite school. To my best wishes to my teachers and my friends, love you and miss you, St. Dominic's. Thank you.
Good morning everyone present here. Respected Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am thankful to you all for the small enjoyment you are giving to us in this pandemic situation. I have joined this school since 2 years, but it seems like it's just a month ago. I have enjoyed a lot in this school, and thank you to my teachers who have supported me the entire session. And thank you for everything to all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir and Madam, and all of my beloved teachers. Since I am studying in this school from nursery, it was very grateful to study in this school, and all the teachers, they help us. They help us to make me good. Before I was so naughty and all the teachers, they help me to be good. And thank you to all the teachers.
Good afternoon, all the teachers and principal sir, and my all the friends. Today I am very much happy that I got the chance to speak here. I would like to say that we can't explain our whole life, school life stories in 5 minutes or one day. There are many school life stories which are there. So I would like to say that on this day, by standing here, we can imagine our first day of our school life and the last day of our school life. First day, we come with a crying face, and last day we go with the many memories which we can't want to go and we don't want to leave our school. We have spent many memories with my friends, teachers. I would like to say thank you to all my teachers and my friends for supporting me, helping me in every situation. Really, I am blessed to have you all in my life. Really, and I love St. Onyx and I will miss.
Good afternoon to one and all. Well, not only the member of the school, but all who are present out there. Well, it's in simple terms I'll say, it's the experience that I'm going to tell, not for 2 years, like class 11 and 12. It's from our childhood up to my 12. If it tells us in simple terms that our childhood, I'm just sitting inside my jaw, there are deep feelings that why am I growing up, why am I increasing, why my class is growing, why am I not a child. The child memories that trying not to go to school. As soon as we enter the school, we'll cry. But afterwards, when we are growing up, we remember that something is there which is calling us. But something is there which made us to cry. But as soon as we grow up, we say that what is going on in our environment, what we are doing matters, but what we are getting, that matters more from our heart. In terms, education matters more. Degrees, first year results, first 10 results, 10 year results from internet or from getting from the school, it matters too. But
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm happy that I'm again here, and thank you.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal, ma'am, director, sir, and everyone. Today is my last day of St. Onyx School. I'm one of the oldest students of St. Onyx, reading from LKG, and today I pass out class 12. I'm very happy that all the teachers support me and all the knowledge I get from here. Very happy. Thank all the teachers for supporting me and studying. Thank you.
I don't know whether it was my bad luck or good luck because I was supposed to deliver this speech last year. But no matter what, someone has told me that everything happens for its betterment. God might have planned something better. It was said by none other than Sai sir. So I would like to thank him for encouraging me. I have learned many things from the last list which I have passed last year. And I have also written something in Hindi which I am going to share with you all. So here I begin. हमें दर्द की आदत हो जाएगी, दर्द में जीना हमारी फितरत बन जाएगी। देखते हैं दर्द हमें कितना झुका पाएगी, हमारी जीने की ख्वाहिश इतनी ऊंची है कि गिरा ना पाएगी। I have many memories in this school. I still remember the first day being nervous, but didn't know anyone, nor I was familiar with the surroundings also. speech in the school, which I delivered when I was in class 8. So there again. See, teachers are like chocolate chips, harder from outside and softer from inside. It usually used to happen like they will scold you in front of everyone, but when they will find you alone, they will make you understand the reason behind their scolding. They always want us to be excellent and best. See, when we will go out from that day, it will be not the last time. We will always return, and we will bring stories that how you all have molded us to reach our heights. So lastly, I would like to thank my teachers for being the yummy chocolate chips of my life, and also my parents, because the journey of my school life wouldn't be possible without them and their support. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. Very nice teachers. I have lots of memories with the school which I will not get anywhere else. I want to thank my teachers who have taught us so good lessons. Thank you.
Teachers and everyone who is hearing me. Today my son child is here to deliver a speech, and it's my opportunity that I am delivering here. Yesterday, all the experience we gained is now memory for us. And as APJ Abdul Kalam said, memories are always special. Sometimes we laugh by remembering the day we cried, and sometimes we cry by remembering the day we laughed. First of all, teachers, thank you very much. All the memories, all the functions, ceremony we celebrated well. That good morning and thank you teachers with a long and a loud voice was very good. Ashish sir, thank you so much for your motto that today's 5 years, what is the difference after 5 years in peace struggle. Thank you ma'am, thank you everyone. I still remember the day when in class 10, first time I was taking course of and my father told me what you can do if you cannot clear your first term. And again at 2 years difference at the same place my father told me with seeing my report card good, now you have to struggle for better. Thank you ma'am, thank you for everything, for the memories, for your love, for your guidance. Thank you very much, and with that I am here right now. Thank you.
Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Madam, and all my teachers here presenting this fine morning and honoring this graduation day. I really want to thank you to all of my teachers for this day, and I just got good this time. And thank you for everything, and especially thank you to Rakesh Sir also for tutoring me so much bitterly. And I miss you all, and this year has been very good. I miss you all, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to thank all of my teachers, and all of the teachers. I just want to thank to all of you for giving us good educations and love, care, supports. And thank you all of you.
Good morning to everyone present over here. First of all, I would like to say, it has been 2 years I have been studying this school. I had learned many good things, and thanks to all the teachers for motivating me and loving me. Thank you everyone.
Good morning all teachers. Thank you, 7 minutes.
Hello everyone. Today I am here to express myself and the experience in myself being a part of a Dominican. I always found myself better than anyone. I am proud to be a Dominican, and my next goal is to keep my teachers proud. Someday I will make even my school proud of me. I may not be able to draw those minute reactions and those memories through my words. It's very less. Thank you.
My dear teachers, director, today is my last day of my school, so I would like to say something about all of you. So I have spent my time in this school for many years, and the only student of this school for me basically. So I'm really going to miss this school.
Very good afternoon
Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. As we all know that today is our graduation ceremony, I feel very honored and fortunate that I get an opportunity to deliver a speech on this day. I am very blessed to be a part of this Sandonics family. From the first day of my school, I have been guided by my teachers. I love them very much. They have always taught me how to be courageous and how to deal problems. It's a very my words can't be expressed today. Lastly, I would like to thank my teachers for all your love, care, and inspiration that you have provided us all over the years. Thank you so much.
Teachers, this is a special occasion for me, and I am using this platform to thank our respected teachers who helped us throughout the school life with love and care. I would particularly like to thank the teachers who have worked for us to educate and change us from raw to mature. I know that my life will change soon because I am going to a completely new world where I have to make my decisions and there will be no one to guide me as my teachers have guided me. But I am sure that the lessons I have learned from my teachers will always be with me. Most importantly, I earn friends here. Friends who will remain for my entire lifetime. One of the greatest blessings of my school life has indeed been my friends. They were the ones who made this journey unforgettable and easy. Lastly, I would like to thank you for being there and supporting us and keep blessings on us so that we will make our journey as far as we can to the way of success. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all the teachers. I don't know how I got this, and I'm very happy. And thank you for motivating me and loving and supporting me. And thank you.
Good afternoon, it's an honor to be here. Thank you to everyone, thank you to the entire teaching staffs who always able to support us and to motivate to every students. Thank you to the class teachers, assessor who has always been motivated and always been caring to us. Thank you to everyone to make me capable of holding this qualification of certificate. Thank you everyone. It's not the end, it's just beginning one step forward to my dreams. Thank you everyone.
I don't want to say too much, just I want to say thanks everyone, especially as a